today, and it's making it very enjoyable for me. I mean, last year was great. This year is wonderful too. I'm liking this more and more. So, anyways, without further ado, we all set up here. Okay, why don't you give it up, sing and set fire to the rain, an Adele song by the one and only Miss Samantha Yanarilli. Give her a nice hand. It just gets better every year, man, I'm telling you.